Hello and welcome to another Budget and Lego video. Now we've got this Mondeo again. I've been driving it for the last few days, the one we did the carbon clean, and it's absolutely perfect. And he asked me to check out the airbag light. Why was the airbag light on? Now this car has already been fixed, but I thought I would show you, well, the problem's been found, it hasn't been fixed, because he's going to do that. But I'm going to show you what we found, just because it might help someone out there. So this is a 2008 1.8 diesel Ford Mondeo Mark IV, and we go into the RCM, which you need to do for the airbags side of stuff on this. We'll see what fault codes we've got, and there we go, passenger side curtain airbag essentially. So, and there's the airbag light on. So then I rang Mark from Solid Diagnostics just to see if there's any pattern failures, because I just felt lazy and couldn't be really asked to do anything. And he said no pattern failures on this particular model. So I was like, great. Anyway, so what we need to do is find out essentially where the connections are. Oh no, actually what I did after that, sorry. I then went into live data. That's important, because what we need to do is check the resistance of all the airbags and see what's going on. That's very important. So we'll just go view all data. We'll select all, view all. And already there you can see there, driver's airbag curtain resistors 10.5 ohms, which is essentially open circuits. Then we've got the knee airbag 2.5 ohms, that's okay. Then another 2.5 ohms, 2.6, they're all fine. You know, you can see all these are fine, no problem with them whatsoever. But we do have one sticking out at us, there we go, boom, 10.2 ohms, which, like I said, is essentially an open circuit. So what I wanted to do next was find out exactly where the connections were for the airbag, because the airbag is essentially the one that goes, the curtain airbag, oh, we're getting some light shining there which looks horrible on camera, is the one that goes across the whole roof. So the next thing I wanted to do was try and find the connection for the airbag, so I could actually test the resistance of the airbag to see if it was a problem with the airbag or is a wiring issue or whatever. Couldn't find the connection there. Tried, you can't see it, but tried to dismantle the seat part there, the seat belt. Couldn't find the connection there, so then we went to the back. Now you can just see the seat bag there and the igniter here. So then I was like, oh great, there we go, there's the connection I was looking for. Now this connection is one connection from here all the way, which is underneath the center console. So I was just literally about to unplug that and check the resistance, and I came down here and boom, there we go people, there is our problem. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not fixing this, but just for the video, I think I'll quickly just peel them wires back, quickly join them together just to see if our airbag light goes off, just to confirm the fix 100%, and then he can actually solder them and fix them properly. So that's in the boot, that'll give you some indication where it is in the boot. You take off all the panels and there you go. Right, so what I've done is, I have just twisted them wires together. Let's just turn the ignition, see if anything happens. There we go, airbag light goes off. Start it. And there we go people, airbag light is off. Let's check the live data. Boom, there we go, look, 2.6 rather than 10. And there we go, fix confirmed. Does have to be fixed properly, but I said I'd just quickly film it just in case anyone out there is having this problem, and it might be something you can actually, look, you might have the same issue. So it's a B1129. That would be the fault code. Sorted. Right, so as you can see, we did that. No wiring diagrams, no nothing. Very quick, very simple. All I needed was the live data. Once I had the live data, it was fairly obvious. Now, we got lucky that the split was up there. It could have been anywhere. But once you found the connection, you could have traced the wires all the way back, and you can see the connections with no wiring diagrams, no nothing, just bang, straightforward, done, sorted. Hope it helped. Please like, share, subscribe, all the usual. Don't forget, links up here, links down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.